Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about 6th English Prose 1 Sea Turtles. Section 3. Children, before going to the next topic, we will just recall the previous content. Between the months of January and March, female olive bridley comes ashore at night to lay their eggs. The nest cavity 45 cm deep. It lays more than 100 eggs. The egg size and shapes like the table tennis ball, and then turtle hides the eggs under the sand. Local people follow the tracks of the turtle. They collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs and pigs too dig up and eat the eggs. After 45 to 60 days later, the eggs are hatched with the help of tiny egg tube, and they make a hurried dash to the sea. Now let's see the lesson, section 3. Many of these tiny hatchlings, which weighs less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. Predators, already I told that animals kills other animals for food. Many of these tiny hatchlings weigh less than 20 grams each, even will not reach the sea, because sea turtles are eaten by crabs, eaten by birds and eaten by many predators. So, first few days for their lives. In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going. The sea turtles lay so many eggs. Survive, continue to live. Scientists estimate 1 in 1,000 becomes an adult. That's why sea turtles lay so many eggs. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Mysteries. Difficult to understand, fascinating, attracting greatly. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings became adult and returned to the same beach where they were born to lay their own eggs. How to find the place after so many years in the ocean is one of the mysteries of these sea turtles. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. Decades, a period of 10 years. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sea turtles are wonderful creatures. So children, we share this planet with sea turtles. Sea turtles survived natural dangers for millions of years. During the last few days, human activities put them in danger. There are many factors affect their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastic in the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Children, this picture shows how the sea turtles are trapped in motorboats. This picture shows dumping of plastic into the ocean also affect the life of sea turtle. Construction activities also hurt their survival. So students, only systematically talking this problem, it's not enough. So removing the violent can be ensured that threat sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Children, now we came to end of the lesson. So now I will give you some important points from this lesson. So children, write in your notebook. 7 species of sea turtles present in the world. Olive ridley, leatherback, green sea turtle, loggerhead, hawksbill. 5 found in India. The smallest one, olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg. The largest one, leatherback, weighs up to 700 kg. Arabida. Arabida is also called moss nesting. Turtles comes to land to lay their eggs. Sea turtles live entire life in the sea. Dangers faced by sea turtles. First one, hunted by people. Second one, pollution. Third one, dumping plastics. Fourth one, eaten by crabs and birds. Fifth one, building construction. Sea turtles book bag and expected questions. Synonyms: factors, reasons, threaten, endanger, trapped, caught, dumping, heaping, construction, building, prey, victim, estimate, calculate, survive, live, mysteries, puzzles, fascinating, interesting, grave, serious, hurt, injure or harm, systematically, regularly, threats, dangers, exit, live. Antonyms: pollution, purity, construction, destruction, hurt, heal, survival, death, systematically, irregularly, threats, promises, continue, discontinue, adult, baby, survive, die, save, different, fascinating, boring, wonderful, ordinary, natural, artificial, sadly, gladly, grave, mild, accidentally, intentionally. Fill in the blanks with words that convey the correct meanings of the sentence. First one, tiny hatchlings fall dash to many predators. Second one, sea turtles live their dash life in the sea. Third one, the turtles come ashore only during the dash. Fourth one, the predators follow the dash of the turtles to eat their eggs. Choose the correct answer. Evaluation. First one, what are the problems that affect the survival of sea turtles? Second one, write the mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Third one, how can we ensure the sea turtles continue to exist in the years to come? Thank you.